About the Bible, the Red Sea miracle. God's people left Egypt. At last they were set free. But soon they reached a problem. A big and mighty sea. Behind them came the soldiers with chariots fast and loud. The people shook with worry, afraid and not so proud. They cried to God in panic, "Why bring us here to die?" But Moses said, "Stay peaceful. God hears your every cry." God told Moses, "Lift your staff and trust my mighty hand." He made a path through water, a miracle so grand. The sea stood up like big blue walls. The ground was dry and wide. God solved the giant problem no one could fix or hide. God saved his chosen people. The waters crashed behind. He showed his love and power, so strong, so good, so kind. Just like God saved Israel from danger, fear, and loss, Jesus came to save us too, through his death upon the cross. The Red Sea was their rescue. The cross is ours today. Through Jesus we find freedom. He washes sin away. God opened up the waters and made a brand new start. Jesus opens heaven's door and gives us a brand new heart. Amen.